has to be BS.
We love you more than heaven, our son. We love you more than land. Our beloved home is soon to be gone forever.
But hope vitalizes our hearts, and that hope is you, Khaled. We have searched the universe for a home where you can do the most good and live out Krypton's truth.
That place is Earth.
I don't get it. What's bad about that?
The people there are simple and profoundly confused. Weak of mind and spirit and body. Lord over the planet as the last son of Krypton.
Here.
Do us proud, our beloved son. Rule without mercy.